The SCP Foundation has interrupted your standard broadcast to issue an emergency notification. Please do not turn off your device. The SCP Foundation has interrupted your standard broadcast to issue an emergency notification. Please do not turn off your device. The U.S. government has authorized the Foundation to issue this alert. The SCP Foundation is dedicated to protecting the public from unknown and unforeseen threats. Please follow the upcoming instructions as they are vital to your safety. Updates will be given over radio frequency every hour due to the circumstances. At this time, the Foundation asks citizens to cease interaction with all electronic devices immediately. Due to a hostile electronic anomaly of unknown origin, an estimated 1 billion electronic devices have been compromised. Please follow these directions step by step to ensure safety precautions are met. Step 1. Detach any and all electronic devices from their power source and move them to an outside open area. This area should be approximately 36 to 44 inches in length. Step 2. Locate and apply a flammable liquid to the electronic and carefully ignite it using matches or an industrial lighter. If you are unable to find any flammable items, any blunt force object or firearm used to cause enough damage to the electronic will suffice. Step 3. Ensure that the device is unoperational and cannot be turned on.
You've delivered urgent documents, overnight packages, emergency supplies.